Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install this really old Challenger non-locking doorknob. It's the one with a hidden screw. So first thing you do, put this one first and make sure it matches the orientation here. So if this thing here is facing out, so it's going to be facing this way. So you have to face this way. So if it goes down when it hits that. If you put it the other way, it won't close. Watch out for the orientation there. Put this one in. 2 screws. Tighten up. Now, put this part, the one with the long ones. See this part here, it goes to inside here. So just line it up. There you go. Now put this back, this plate. Line up the holes. Hold here, hold there. Now the cover plate to hide the screw. There's a notch over here and a notch over here. There's a spring right here and there's another notch over here. So this bottom part here line up with the spring. Snap this in the back end. Set. Now the tricky part. Now for the doorknob, see the pinhole is over here, so this hole, line it up with the pinhole. There's a little notch over here, line it up with this thing here to slide it in. But watch, not gonna do it. But it's not in yet. You have to push this hole here, so find something really thin. I'm gonna use this one, really thin. Push it here, push that down, then you push this, then you take it out. Now that's how you install it. Okay? Done. 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.